All right, we're live. So, welcome back. Today, I'm going to do the how-to. Hopefully, I'll do it right. If you want to see a funny video of me failing on my first day, go check that out. Now, I'm wearing all tank gear, so you can have a look at this if you want to pause and look through it. LOL blue. But this is pretty standard tank gear for Frost DK. Now, I'm here at Blood Furnace because it's money. I'm using Kiwi Farm. It's a good add-on for tracking your progress and in real time seeing if you're efficient or not. It reminds you if you're a dad player or if you're a zoomer. I highly recommend having a sleek UI. Mine may break. Anyway, I'm doing this because I was looking for a good way to make gold, and this is a phenomenal way. So what you need, you don't need a lot of gear actually. I'm wearing a lot of purples, but you don't really need great gear to do this. You just need to understand DK mechanics. I am doing this as Frost, by the way. This is full send DPS Frost because that's the fun way to play the game right now. I don't think that the content is hard enough to warrant going blood. It's pretty easy. So here's the spec. If you want to pause it at certain points, you can. Just to look at what I'm taking, how many points in each, and so on and so forth. But this is the standard full send DPS spec for a Frost DK. And it's what I'm using for raiding. Though I will say that I don't really have gear for DPS, so I'm mostly relying on this for just doing more damage as a tank. See my glyphs. And there you go. If you want to pause any of that and see what it was, that's fine. But let's go into this. So I'm running Kiwi Farm so that I can keep track of what's going on. I am using Speedy Auto Loot. I think I've got that down this time. It should be in the key binding somewhere, like interaction or something. I'm gonna say it's in like targeting. Yeah, interact with mouse over. That's the one we want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bind this to my numpad minus, and then when I'm looting, I'm gonna hover over stuff and just spam my key while I'm hovering over things, and that will force my player to loot everything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how that's gonna work. Let me make sure that that's on. Yeah, Speedy Auto Loot's on. /sal. Let's go and check it out real quick. So /sal auto. There we go. So now it should be super fast auto looting for my characters. I might not even need to hit the interact button, but let's see. It basically just cuts out the dialogue window, so you don't have to wait for it to parse through showing you the item. It just goes straight into your bag. Clear bags. I do bring bombs with me. I bring some pots just in case, but I will say that the saving grace as DK is Raise Dead and Death Pact. The combination there makes this salvageable when it's really bad. Okay, so enough talk. That's the foundation. You're going into Blood Furnace. You're doing this to make gold. Just to give you perspective, I leveled engineering and enchanting at 4,500 gold, and I went down to 0. It sucked. So I was like, how am I going to make gold? And I was looking around, and I saw some Botanica. I saw some other stuff, and I decided, let's fix up the UI, and let's get into Blood Furnace. So I failed a couple times, but then once I got the flow and I started to get it down, I spent a few hours in here and I walked away with about 1,800 gold. That's not a joke. That's real. So I just sent the Book of Frost Flying or whatever, Northrend Winter Flying to my alt, but otherwise I had some good money. So let's go make some more. You ready? Here we go. Let's go and start the session. Let's get in here. Hopefully I didn't put it on a heroic. Yeah, first things first, don't blow your speedy boots right away. Make sure that you're in blood. You might need to go frost depending on how it's going. So I'm gonna tag this one and then I'm gonna sprint. So tag, sprint. And all this will proxy aggro. You should know that from strat. Now, sometimes I kill these early because they have a tendency to run away, and that can be really frustrating. Because you're trying to kill them and they're running away from you. It's like, dude, get the back here. These guys stun, by the way. Sucks. It's not fun. I also have to warm up. Not really, like, ready. But I'm gonna try to proxy aggro a lot of this stuff too. Pop my cooldowns, make sure Horn of Winter is on. Oh, for Pete's sake. That's the one thing, man. You're gonna get stunned in here and it sucks. Just drop your stuff. Just do your thing, right? You do want to spread disease. If you can, things die quick. There we go, I did it. And then just blow it up. Only blast, baby. And if you're in blood, you'll heal back a little bit. Kind of makes this a joke. No. It's not hard. You just gotta show up. You basically show up and do your DK thing. And you can honestly put down... Oh yeah, let's test this out. Yep. So what I'm doing is I'm just hovering over everything and I'm spam clicking my my interact key. And it's auto looting the crap out of everything really fast. And so that's how you're gonna shave a lot of time off. And you can see right here, it's at 200 gold per hour. I can do better than that. I'm gonna tag you with a taunt and hopefully proxy aggro all of this. I have a minute left on my charge. So I'm just gonna proxy aggro. These guys knock you up in the air and it's fucking annoying, so. Yep, or they knock you down rather. It's fucking annoying as hell. I'm gonna turn on my armor. The summoners suck. Just gonna grab them. I'm gonna go into the next room, turn the corner, so that's the strat. Drop your stuff. Oh shit, I'm down. Try to spread that disease, there we go. And then just start blowing stuff up. If you need to, you can use your strike to hurt people for money. You just gotta kill stuff faster than that kills you. Ooh, it hurts. Ooh, it really hurts. Die, guys. That stun sucks. That was close. I might still die. This is a tough room. For some reason, when you pull from the past room, the technicians who drop the mines and throw dynamite, they hurt. They just spam throw dynamite at you, and it sucks when there's like 20 of them. Anyway, there we go. Yet again, I'm just hovering, spamming my loot button. And you can see it just shot up. My gold per hour just shot up to 380. So that's... Once you start getting efficient at turning the corner and getting rid of the casters without dying, this is a really lucrative way to make money. That's redundant. It's lucrative. It's lucrative. And I'm not even correct, you know? I'm not the most efficient. There are things that I need to do better. Namely, I need to make sure that I'm actually using my cooldowns appropriately. And I'm not really happy with my bar setup because I've got like consistent use followed by cooldown stuff on the right. I just need to reorganize that. But anyway, boots are up, so I'm just gonna go around and grab everything in this room. Lack of health sucks. I don't think I can make any bandages. Yeah, because I haven't leveled my bandage stuff. Fuck it, let's go. Let's try to proxy aggro this shit. Go. We'll get heals off of this guy. It's no big deal. Drop all my stuff, make sure I spread my diseases, make sure I use this. Can't use that because he's not alive. That's my opportunity. That's another thing I noticed, that if you're going to use your ghoul to get health back, make sure that you use the pack early, because it has a tendency to get killed or just disappear. And that's that. Be great if I could get up this idiot. Just gonna loot while they go boom. Okay, alright, we're good. You guys suck. If you feel like you're getting hurt too much in here, you can go Frost. It's just, it's not as good as Blood because you're not doing as much damage and you're not getting as much healing back. Also, going Enchanting helps because you're going to make more profit that way. I should have cannibalized. Also, for some reason, this guy takes forever. Like Death Pact. I hate that it takes forever power. There we go. Now these guys, I'm probably gonna... Yeah, see, that's gonna happen and you're gonna lose out some loot. I hate that. That's what it is. These guys suck. I have died here several times. It's not fun. And I will gladly trade losing money for not dying. Dying here sucks. I really hate it. It's one of the most frustrating things. So I will be vigilant about self-heal here. Try to drop what I have. Make sure you use your runic power. Turn the corner to stop the casting. The dynamite sucks. And just press your buttons. Blood Boil isn't really the strongest card. It's noticeably weak. But I'll take it. Dying here sucks. So even if it's a little slow, I'll live. Alright. As long as I'm averaging about 300 gold an hour, I'm happy. I don't even think that's accurate too, because it's just calculating vendor price for the greens. And you're going to make more than that from the shards they turn into. So forgot to cannibalize. Might just eat this shitty food. Yeah, I would recommend buying some food or getting a mage to make you some food. It'll make this faster. The rest of this is a cakewalk though. It's really this spot right here that sucks, and then the technicians in the other room. That's where you're gonna die. Try to get everything here. Find a spot. There really isn't an LOS spot in this room, so you end up just letting them cast on you. Make sure that you heal yourself. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it! So, I hate that. The knock up, man. It's so annoying. Okay, please let me spread it. Thank you. Just the worst. Should be able to blow things up now. One at a time, I can pull them over. Anybody with decent AoE can do this. Mages will get killed. But, I heard that they nerfed old content, EXP and gold. I can't confirm it. It doesn't feel like it. Like I'm looting almost a gold from every single thing, so I'm not so sure I agree. 26 seconds on cannibalize, but I do have this. I'm just gonna send it because I can self-heal. Reminds me I need to update my target so that it's vertical instead of horizontal. More symmetrical that way. Somebody was in the channel talking about, my friend from the UK was talking about updating the UI, or making a UI video rather. And that's something that I would do. It's not really that tough. Just some people don't have an instinct for it. They don't know which add-ons to get. They're new to the game, whatever. But if you've played this game a long time, you're fully familiar with what to use. I'm not very efficient with these guys either. I should be dragging them to the new door. The scary door. Okay. Just wipe these guys out. Alright. We get the boss. How long? 23 seconds. Looks for me. I don't need those buffs, but fuck it. Let's get out of here faster. Sitting at 358. We'll see how that looks when I kill the last boss. I'm not trying to be a gamer about this. There are going to be tons of people way better than I am at this, but it's also a dangerous spot. It's not quite as dangerous as the ones we saw before, but it is a dangerous spot. So, I'm just going to try to kill stuff here on top of these idiots. Spread those diseases, get heals off, use my abilities. Make sure you spread. These guys aren't really a threat at all. I used to think so. I used to pull this shit way too fast. Healers got pissed at me. Okay, let's see. It's like, are you kidding? It's not even that big of a deal. That's so annoying. I don't even really need to kill him. Okay, mass loot. Let's see how much it shoves it up. We're at 330 right now. Okay, 344. I wonder if I can do this. Okay. All right. Making our way downtown. Walking down. Make sure we grab everybody. Hopefully proxy these guys too. Come on. Try to get the boss guys. Come on. So I guess their charge just doesn't work. It used to be annoying, but it doesn't do anything to me. Let's do Blast. There it is. Howling Blast is the most satisfying ability. I really thought that it was a frontal cone. I didn't realize it was like a straight down. Okay.
You mustn't let him lose! He'll kill us all!
Normally I'd LOS, but it's actually faster to kill, get your buffs, save some runic power, and then kill him.
What?
Try to kill him before he does the cast. Should speed it up. If he does it, it slows you down. About 3 seconds. There we go. Session is over. So that was like, I don't know, 300 and... In the end, it's going to be about 100 gold from that run alone. And now it's just a matter of tightening up, making it more efficient, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so forth. But that's it. That's how you do BF farm. It's so easy. If you're a DK, you can do this. We were in here, I've been streaming for 17 minutes, and a lot of it was talking. So get in here, you do one of those clears, time yourself, try to go faster and faster, and you can walk out of here with 1,000 gold a day without much effort. So there you go. Have fun. Do your farm. Make your gold. It makes you feel much better when you can fill your pocket with some cash. Trust me, both inside and outside the game. And with that, buy more coffee. kukoscoffee.com. Thank you.
Surprise, motherfucker.